Where is the best place to add this sentence? It has now completed more than 40 hours of test flights, according to Klein Vision, including flying at 8,200 feet and reaching a maximum cruising speed of 190 kilometers per hour. When looking for the best location to place a new sentence, we need to take into account not only which sentence precedes it, but also which sentence follows it, and see which choice gives us the most cohesive narrative. We can see that our sentence provides specific details about the number of test flights the air car has completed and its performance capabilities. These are technical facts that complement other detailed information about the car. With this in mind, let's try plugging our given sentence into our choices and see how they sound. A, following sentence 1. A prototype flying car has completed a test flight between two cities in Slovakia, spending 35 minutes airborne. This is a broad, introductory sentence, and immediately placing detailed information like the number of test flights and technical specs after this might overwhelm the reader. As the narrative is still introducing the concept of the flying car, adding technical details here would disrupt the flow. This can be marked as incorrect. B, following sentence 4. It transforms from aircraft to road vehicle in less than 3 minutes. This sentence wraps up the general introduction of how the air car functions and its transformation capabilities. Placing our sentence about the number of test flights and its maximum cruising speed right after this makes a lot of sense. We're moving smoothly from the general to the specific. After learning that the car can transform in under 3 minutes, it's natural to want more technical details. This choice is a strong contender, so we'll keep an eye on it as we look at our other choices. C, following sentence 8. The company is working on a model called Air Car Prototype 2, which will boast a 300 horsepower engine. This sentence introduces future plans for a new version of the air car, so putting our given sentence about past test flights after this might confuse the timeline of the narrative. Since our sentence is talking about something that's already been done, we don't want to place it here when the passage is transitioning to discuss future developments. Although it can be a bit confusing to see which version of the car our given sentence is referring to, we can see that it can't be the second, as the stats of the test drive are much lower than what's expected of the second version, as we see in the following sentence. Based on this, we can see that this interrupts the flow of information and this choice can be eliminated. And D, following sentence 10. Klein Vision plans to develop 3- and 4-seater models of the air car, as well as twin-engine and amphibious versions, according to its website. Again, this is discussing future goals and plans for the air car, so placing our sentence about the 40 hours of completed test flights for the first model here doesn't fit the narrative structure. We don't want to mix past achievements with future aspirations. Based on this, we can mark this choice as incorrect and mark choice B, following sentence 4, as our final answer.